Ayan guys, good morning. Ayan kami nandito sa Haymarket. Haymarket train station. Ayan guys. Ito yung train station ng Haymarket. Ayan. Haymarket. Haymarket. Yan sa loob. Ito yung loob ng train station. For today's video. Yan. Nag-aantay kami ng aming schedule. Train schedule. Ganun lang. Gala for today.